I'm in this kitchen store and there's 4 of these Casablanca industrial ceiling fans. Lady's going to go turn them on for me because she's really nice. There's 3 of them, and then there's this SMC wattmaster rebrand thing. So I don't know if this one's been added later. It's not square with the rest of them. Here they go. This one over here is spinning really slow. It's probably got a failed capacitor. SMC's a lot quicker than the other ones. This one over here is missing the bottom nut. So these fans are from the 80s. They're made by TAT and were often sold under Omega. And these are the only ones that I've ever seen in person. I've got a catalogue that has these in. There's another one over here. It's also got these really cool old 1980s Thorn Popular packs, fluorescent lights. So for some reason the Casablancas spin a lot slower than the SMC. I'll go over here. See, it's labelled wattmaster. I've got a couple of these that have wood blades. Yeah, clicky. So, that one over there is spinning a bit quicker, so I'd say they've got weird capacitors. Or, yeah. I'd say this one was either added later or earlier. It's more dusty than all the other ones, but that might be because it spins quicker, so I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching.